Nagsubmit na ng kanyang irrevocable resignation si Energy Regulatory Commission Chairperson Mona Lisa Dimalanta. Kinumpirma ito ng Malacanang. Sa 2029 pa, dapat magtatapos ang termino ni Dimalanta. Bago si Dimalanta, dalawa pang commissioner ng ERC ang nawala. Natapos na kasi ang termino ni Alexis Lumbatan at Catherine Maceda noong July 10. Ang 5-member board ng ahensya, dalawa na lang ang natira. Ibig sabihin, wala na silang quorum. Babala naman ni Pete Ilaga ng NASECOR, kailangang mapunuan agad ang mga bakante sa ERC dahil sang katutak ng petisyon ang kailangan nitong desisyonan.
Applications for power supply agreements, applications for capital expenditures project of the National Grid Corporation of the Philippines, Meralco, and the other private distribution utilities. There are actually 141 distribution utilities, all of which have capital expenditure applications. This is too big a task for the Commission. And if they won't have the quorum, this is going to be a very big problem